All right, so we are going to add our 10th legal move, which is kind of a trick to make things easier. If you haven't already, please check the pictures that are uploaded to Schoology today to make sure that you have an accurate numbers 1 through 9 with all of the details. If you do, then let's go ahead and add number 10. So number 10 tells us if there are a number of cubes on each side, start by taking those off first. Now, a number cube, let's make a little key at the bottom. A number cube is like 3 or 10, right? A number that Ms. Susak usually puts in squares, and what you will probably have in a square if you are using the tiles, if you're using the manipulatives. The example we're going to use for that is one from our quiz and our work we did yesterday if you were in class. Star plus 2 star plus 12 equals x plus 4. I'm going to start by translating. Star, 2 star, 12. If you have if you're using the manipulatives, you may have to do a 10 and a 2 to represent 12. And then x and a 4. Now, what this is saying is that if there are number cubes on each side, which we do have, we have a 12 and a 4, we're going to begin by taking those off each side first. We know from our experience that we can only take 4 off each side because that's the biggest number that is on both sides. So I'm going to turn my 12, if you use this strategy of decomposing, into 8 plus 4, and I'm going to remove 4 pounds from the right and 4 pounds from the left. If I rewrite, I will have 3 stars and an 8 on the left, and then an X on the right. What I know from our past work is that I can either eliminate this X, but then that would leave me with nothing on the right. I can't cancel a 0 pair that are on opposite sides. So it looks like the best course of action is to either bring in some 0 pairs on this side, or bring in three X's on this side and bring in 3 X's on this side. 0 pair, 0 pair, 0 pair. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, which equal 8, which means I don't even have space for this. Triangle equals 4, and star equals -4.